Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet Walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well. I hope you are having a great day and I am also good. And you know I am Islam from Tangal district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Sunday, so happy Sunday from Bangladesh. Today is Sunday 29 January 2023, now morning time. Friends, this Sunday morning I am visiting a agricultural land of another village. Friends, you can see behind my back very beautiful agricultural land area, green place. Here is a many type of green nature, really very beautiful place. Friends, you know I always try to save the nature, green nature. I always try to remove polluted garbage, whole plastic from the green nature agricultural land. So this morning I visiting this agricultural land of another village. I looking here and I saw here some polluted garbage, whole plastic. So now I collect the polluted garbage and whole plastic from here and throw them in the dustbin. So friends, let's go. Cleaning mission is start now. Just action. Friends, really very beautiful natural place. I am now walking through this natural place and try to collect polluted garbage and old plastic. Friends, first I saw here one big old plastic is stuck in soil. So I collected this very dirty plastic from here. Friends, and a big bag in my hand. Very dirty cigarette butt. এটা আমি সঙ্গে করে নিলাম, দেখেন another plastic product. Really beautiful place. Another plastic product here. Very dirty plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Agricultural land area. I saw another big plastic. Friends, we know this old plastic really polluted product, really polluted for soil, green nature, public place. তা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, এটা নেব আর গার্বেজ। Another plastic here. Plastic is stuck in soil. Friends, plastic bottle here, glass bottle, dangerous product. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন। old cigarette pack. Friends, I collected many old plastic, big plastic, cigarette pack, other garbage from the agricultural land. Friends, my cleaning mission finished. So stop this bag. ব্যাগটি আমি এখন বন্ধ করব। দেখেন, এটি আমি এখন বন্ধ করব। Friends, stop this bag. Now this bag to in dustbin. Friends, I collected many old plastic, big plastic, other garbage from the agricultural land of another village. Friends, this is a bag, garbage bag. Now this bag to in dustbin. Friends, finally I will say, let's we all save our nature, green nature, our agricultural land. Thank you. Friends, this is a village used dustbin. This garbage bag throw in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend. Have a nice day.